Ka jingyalang ka kynhun Myntri ka sarkar jela haka khatwei terik unailar kala Mynjur ban pyndam no iaka MOU Meghalaya soy bat ka NEEPCO ban snai iaka sanspa megawatt thermal power project. Myntri katanat boarding abu taher modal ulaong baka NEEPCO kala kentu iaka sarkar ban pyndam no iaka MOU ban snai iaka thermal power project harilum Garo Hills ha ubnai leber khatnyau terik hajar khatwei.
Scheme regarding the proposal for reimbursement of state and local taxes, GST. Actually, we are about to undertake one flagship program in the name of RDS, and there was an agreement, tripartite agreement between RSC representing the government of India and the government of Meghalaya, and also the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited. So on the part of CGST, that has been exempted by the government of India. So similarly, the state government got to exempt the CGST, HGST part. So the decision has been taken, as in earlier cases. Today also decision taken that this will be exempted. So this is one issue. Second issue, I think most of you know, who have met me yesterday, that NEEPCO has asked for scrapping the MOU which was signed on the 17th March 2011 for Garo Hills thermal power project of 500 megawatt. The background is that now NEEPCO will be branded as the clean source energy and green source energy, and accordingly they don't want to continue with this project. We had discussion with the chairman of NTPC, who is also chairman of CMD of NTPC, who is also CMD of NEEPCO. So in this discussion, they have requested that this program need to be scrapped. So accordingly, the cabinet has taken decision that this 500 megawatt thermal power project, which was awarded to NEEPCO, will be scrapped.